Today I want to show you a twin garden. This is set inside a little courtyard right off of our client's driveway. These are powder-coated steel beds made to match the gate on the home. And then this sweet arch trellis right here in the center of the bed. These beds have been here now for 4 years. We put these beds in the spring season. So they've been through quite a lot. So it's so fun to come back to this garden season after season. I have to show you one of the most amazing oregano plants in the world, and that is this one here. So here in Houston, the herbs grow year-round, and this oregano may be original to the garden. I'm not sure. It's at least probably 2 years old. If you're still buying oregano from the grocery store, please take a note from this girl, because you don't have to. So we've got very mature herbs on both sides of the bed. These chives have been here for quite some time as well. One's starting to flower. We have peppers, arugula, we've got some other peppers, we've got tomatoes just starting to come up the trellis for the fall season. More peppers along the side and herbs, and we've got peppers back here. We've got some mustards and arugula, parsley, and even some basil back here. We have blueberries here in the back of the bed. The back door is just right there, and the mudroom is here connected to the kitchen. So this family can just look out the window, see what's growing in the kitchen garden, then come outside to pick it. So I hope you enjoyed this tour. Thank you guys so much for watching and for bringing back the kitchen garden with me. I'll see you next time.